God, what are we doing? What?
I'll tell you what's what.
Lovely.
What?
Feels so live when we play our instruments. I can't wait to go to band camp. But I heard soccer camp's gonna be there. Ew. Let's just annoy them the whole week. Good idea. Yeah. Scene 2 at band camp. Why would you ever want to go to soccer camp? I can't wait to wake up at 6:30 every morning just to play instruments though. Yeah. I have a great idea. Let's wear gorilla suits to breakfast. Yeah! Wait, what to breakfast?
Oh, scene 3. Oh.
Scene 3 at breakfast.
Scene 3.
Which part of the band?
Oh, I was like, what is that?
Sarah, stop it.
Oh, are you serious?
Why do they take so much food? It's not like they need any of it. Why don't they just wear normal clothes? Normal clothes? You're in gorilla suits! Scene 4, the next morning. What is that awful noise?
Actually done that. Yeah.
Lesson learned, don't mess with soccer camp.